in one of Chicago's vibrant neighborhoods. There's a food truck called Tacostino, known for its delicious Mexican cuisine. This food truck offers a variety of traditional Mexican dishes such as tacos, burritos, and quesadillas, all prepared with fresh ingredients and bold flavors. The truck has gained popularity for its authentic taste and quick service, making it a favorite spot for both locals and visitors seeking a satisfying Mexican meal on the go.
Hello everybody, I'm here with another video. Welcome to my channel. As you see behind me is a food truck. It's Mexican food. I never tried from this truck foods, so I'm gonna try different Mexican food. I always usually get a steak taco, so that's the only food I know about the Mexican food. But now we try different food of the Mexican. So let's see how this truck food is taste. As they tell me this truck food is delicious, let's see it. Okay, now we order our food, so we're gonna try and let you know how the taste. The first one you see is burrito, Mexican burrito. All these meats is a beef. Second one is a steak taco, and third one is a tongue taco, and this is a triple taco. It came with some red radish and lemon. So as you see, you have to sit like this and try the food. So I'm gonna squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna try the briscoes. Oh, it's too hot. Ooh. Ooh. Good, but it's a little bit salty for me. Second taco is a steak taco. Let's try this. This is very, very good. Third taco is tongues taco, beef tongues taco. Let's try it. This is my first time eating the beef taco, tongues taco. Not bad. It tastes like a steak food for me. Very good too. Fourth taco is tripa taco. This is tastes good too, but it's a little bit greasy. So if you like the greasy food, this taco is good for you. So far, all four taco taste good, but I go with the steak taco. It's good. My second is tongue taco. It's good. The first briscoe taco is a little bit salty. I passed. So these are all for my first time to taste. It tastes very good. Okay, we ordered another food. That's a burrito with everything on it. So I'm gonna try, and it has a special hot sauce too. These are the homemade ones. So let me see how's the taste. Good, very good. Okay, this is a third food is a nachos with everything on it. So cheese, steak, cilantro, onion, and sour cream. Very good. I suggest Everybody come see this place. All these food I try is good. Is better than restaurant because they're homemade. They make it inside, and if they are small businesses, so you can help these businesses. End of my video, I'm gonna put the address in the caption so you can come and visit this place. If you like our video, please comment, share, like, subscribe. See you on the next video.